Here at San Vicente National High School, two of our best practices in our SMART class are the use of the Flip app and MS Teams, especially on the reading progress. At first, we oriented our learners on what these apps are and how we are going to use them in our classes. They actually mastered it easily since most of them are knowledgeable and curious about modern technology. So, every time we use these apps in our class activities, we just give them instructions, answer their questions, and give them the access code or the link where they can upload or send their outputs. Teaching in Smart Classroom does not always go smoothly due to some problems that we have to deal with, such as limited time for them to polish or finish their activities, distractions brought by social media apps installed on their personal tablet, internet connection which is sometimes unreliable, hindering the flow of the activity or lesson, and lastly, limited app use. Also, we sometimes experience both scheduled and unscheduled power interruptions. Thus, student outputs to be done or submitted are not well polished. Instead of coming up with creative ways to present their outputs, they are limited to one or two ways. Nevertheless, the objectives were met on a satisfactory level. Students have fun in the class. They enjoy doing the activities and actively participate in class discussion. Students also share what they learned from the apps being used.
What are the applications that you most often use in class? And why do you like using them?
The applications that I like using the most are MS Teams and Flip application because these applications promote my creative side and make me excited to learn more, to explore and go beyond, and to upgrade my ICT skills.
Thank you.
Moving. Nagagawa ba nitong mas madali at kagalak-galak ang iyong buhay as estudyante?
Oo, dahil mas madali naming naiintindihan at mas nagiging exciting ang aming buhay as estudyante dahil sa paggamit namin ng mga apps na ito dahil na-explore namin at nalaman namin ang mga iba't ibang function ng iba't ibang apps.
What's more, they end up discovering other educational apps and suggest using them in our other classes. The creativity of the students are manifested in making and presenting their outputs. In addition, they become more resourceful in such a way that they discover new applications that they can use. As smart classroom teachers, it is our responsibility to update our knowledge on the use and integration of ICT in our classes. Make sure we constantly use apps and maximize their features for interactive class discussion, engaging activities, and invested in learners.
Water.
You're getting there. Let's read it again.
Bilang isa sa mga guro ng Smart Learning Community sa San Vicente National High School, masasabi ko na ito ay nakatutulong sa aming mga guro upang lalo pang pag-ibayuhin ang aming kaalaman at kausayan sa paggamit ng iba't ibang aplikasyon sa Smart Classroom. Sa kadahilanang upang mas lalo pang maging epektibo ang pagtuturo at upang sa ganoon rin ay makasabay kami sa makabagong henerasyon. Sapagkat aminado ako na hindi madali o hindi naging madali para sa akin ang pagkatutong ito.
As one of the teachers in the Smart Learning Community in San Vicente National High School,
I would say that it is both a struggle and a pleasure. Why do I say struggle? Because we sometimes come across technical difficulties like scheduled and unscheduled power blackouts, intermittent internet connectivity, and laggy tablets. To add to that, student behavior also affects our way of carrying out activities in such a way that some students are distracted by other social media applications installed on their tablets, affecting their performance in class activities. Nonetheless, we as teachers try our very best to make sure that they meet the lesson objectives set for the day. Using ICT in the smart classroom kind of makes our tasks easier. One such application I like is the reading progress in the Microsoft Teams application. It helps me keep track of how my students are doing well in terms of their reading, and it also gives me suggestions on how I can improve my teaching to them. Thank you.